Hi everyone, my name is Mbangeni Mihlali and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subby, welcome. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for joining the family. So besides having academics on my neck 24/7, I have been busy. And guess what? I have been doing a bit of hiking, and this was at the Cape Recife Nature Reserve. So the purpose of today's video is to give you like a bit of information about the hiking trails that are there and how to access them, where are they located. Also, the video will be depicting everything that I'll be sharing with you. So without any further ado, let's just get straight to the point of the day. So the Cape Recife Nature Reserve is situated just next to the Pine Lodge Holiday Resort in Summerstrand. It has trails that have some of the best beach views in Port Elizabeth. So do you know that the Cape Recife Nature Reserve has two trails that are shown in the video. So also those are the trails that I've been to. So I don't know if there are any other besides the two that you will see from the video. So you have the 5-kilometer one and then you have a 9-kilometer one. So for me, the 9-kilometer one is much more interesting because it's in deep within the nature reserve than the 5-kilometer one, because the 5-kilometer one is like a bit short, and also you don't really get to see clearly the lighthouse if that's what you want to see. So basically I wanted to see the lighthouse. Also, I wanted to see the sand dunes. So yeah, the 9K one was the one that was really great for me. So when you are walking back to where you started, or your starting point of the hike, you will notice that there's a building that is there. So that is the home to most of the marine animals, specifically the African penguins. So it is the Suncob Port Elizabeth Rehabilitation Center. So one would park just next to the Pine Lodge if you are going to have a hike. But if you are going to be visiting the Suncob Rehabilitation Center, you will be subject to have like an entrance permit, and those permits are available at the Pine Lodge. For more information on that, contact the number that I'll put on the description box, so you can just confirm the fees or anything like that. Though I want to mention that when I was there, for the 2 times that I've been there, I've never paid anything. So basically when we get there, we just park our car and then we just go in. So we never really had to pay for anything because we've always been there to hike. So if you are someone that has never been hiking and you would want just an easy trail, simple, nothing much challenging, so this is the best hike for you if you are around Port Elizabeth, even if you're not around Port Elizabeth but you're just here to visit. So also don't forget to bring with you water, and make sure you have snacks with you because there are no shops around. Also, just to advise, make sure you are wearing sneakers that you don't mind them being dirty due to sand. While on that same note, make sure you're wearing something that is going to be covering your legs, your arms, because I think the trail needs maintenance. Given the 2 times that I've been there, the trail has been like a lot of it's too bushy. So you guys can also see on the videos that it's too bushy, so you can easily hurt yourself or anything like that, or maybe you touch a leaf that turns out you are allergic to and you didn't know that you are allergic to that. So just keep that in mind. For more information, you can visit the Nelson Mandela Bay tourism. Everything is available there for you. The contact numbers that you can call if you want to make any reservation or anything like that, I will provide everything on the description box. So this is where you can actually sit, rest a bit and relax and have a snack while watching birds. There's a list that is sticked on the benches, or more like a table that is inside there, where you can read different kinds of birds that is their host. So I had after the small bridge, you are gonna see an arrow. So this, I call it a confusing arrow because the arrow is saying trail, but is pointing on the left. But then there's a trail going up again, but there's no arrow that is saying up or you can go up or anything like that. So you just need to figure it out yourself. Where do you want to go? So when you continue going up, that's the 9K, let me just say 9 kilometer trail. And then when you go left, that is the 5 kilometer trail. That was the first trail I took. So following this trail, it will take you closer to the beach and it will make you walk by the beach. For some odd reasons, there was a point where we felt like we were lost because we didn't know and we couldn't see any sign showing us that we should turn left so that we can go up, so that we can go back to where the car was parked, or like the entrance rather. But we found it and it was okay. So what I was trying to zoom into there was the main building at South Campus, Nelson Mandela University. So I wanted to just show you guys that you can actually see distant buildings as well. So when I was saying that, when we were by the beach and we were walking there, we couldn't find a sign that was taking us back to the road. So this was the road that I was talking about. So we couldn't find the sign that was taking us back to this road, because now once we cross the road, there's a sign that is indicating to us we should walk straight ahead. So this is the picture that I was trying to paint when I was saying that with the 5-kilometer hiking trail, you see the lighthouse at a distance, but with the 9-kilometer trail, you see it like it's just next to you, because you walk right next to it. So going onto the 9-kilometer trail, there's not much videos about the 9-kilometer walking trail, because I wanted to be more in the moment than I was taking videos, because I noticed that when I was doing the initial one, I was not more in the moment. I was not like enjoying myself. I was much focusing on the content. But there is someone who is extra react. He took the video of the 9-kilometer. So on the tag up there, just click on it, it will take you to the video. Also, the building that you just saw now, it is the Sun Cobb Port Elizabeth Rehabilitation Center. This was my way going back to my starting point. As I did not show where the cars are normally parked, they are parked on the left-hand side in the parking area there. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.